Did you press record? Okay, this is Grayson Shelton versus Brittany Box. I'm the blue bunny. He's the pink bird. Let's do this. You're the pink bird. Alright.
Come on, birdie. Oh, yeah.
Oh no, we're both down. We both have blown up. Oh my gosh. I think we're gonna lose.
No, it's something bigger.
You're huge. Why are you so huge?
Ooh.
I don't know.
I think I definitely overtook you.
I don't know. Where are the swords? Uh-oh. It does appear that I've missed you with my sword. And dare I say... Ow!
Is that mine right there? Was mine green?
I don't know where your sword is. I think... Oh, nope. You've impaled me.
Yeah.
It looks like Pink Bird wins the battle.